So this is a very unpromising development in a church that claims to be the nurturing mother of European civilization. But if you look just a little further east to another schism that took place in the bosom of the same church, you will find that the other schismatic force, now known as orthodoxy, instead of Catholicism, has just instated as its dictator, its spiritual and earthly representative, Vladimir Putin. The Russian Orthodox Church has now become the official church of the Putin organization. No instatement of any police official, any military official, any government official of the Putin regime is complete without the kissing of the icons, the swinging of the incense, the affirmation of the ancient verities of the very church that, since we're on the subject, managed to bring us all the way to Western Europe with incredible trouble, the forgery, actually the fabrication of the protocols of the Elders of Zion, the Church of Tsarism, the Church of Serfdom, the Church of Russian Imperialism, the Church of tyranny and superstition. And now they're producing new icons, not content with the old ones that baptized and confirmed serfdom, Tsarism, anti-Semitism, and fascism. New icons, you can see them, they're easily found on the internet, which show in a prayerful attitude as the father of his people and as the holy protector of Holy Russia, Joseph Stalin, who, it's true, was a very leading member of a seminary in Georgia under the name Joseph Vissarionovich Dugashvili in his youth, and whose mother is supposed to have said to him when he became chairman of the Central Committee of the Presidium of the Communist Party of the Soviet Union, "You're a stupid boy. If you'd stayed in that seminary, you could have been a bishop by now." I believe the story anyway, even if what is said by the mothers of gods isn't always to be taken completely seriously. So that's a very bad development, and believe you me, we will all live to see and regret what we were allowed to happen unnoticed, the conversion of modern Russia into a heavily armed, aggressive, self-pitying, chauvinistic theocracy. So this is